Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Canva collage. First, open Canva and navigate to the search bar. Type Photo Collage to explore hundreds of available templates. Select a template that best suits your vision, perhaps one with a grid layout for up to 10 images. This initial step sets the foundation for your creative project, ensuring a smooth start to your visual storytelling. Now, let's add your personal touch. Upload your favorite photos from your computer or phone, or browse Canva's vast stock photo collection. Simply drag and drop each image into the empty frames of your collage template. You can easily resize and reposition photos within their frames, ensuring every detail is just right. This step brings your collage to life with your chosen memories. Next, personalize your collage to truly make it yours. Experiment with different background colors or textures to set the mood. Adjust the borders around your photos, perhaps making them thicker or thinner, and fine-tune the spacing between images for a polished look. You can also add text, fun stickers, or other graphic elements to convey a message or simply add flair. Finally, it's time to share your beautiful creation with the world. Download your completed collage in a high-resolution format such as JPG or PNG, ensuring excellent quality. You can then easily share it directly to your favorite social media platforms with just a few clicks. Alternatively, print your collage to create a physical keepsake or a heartfelt gift for someone special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.